to week 2 of Prairie Life Book Club. Chapter 2 is very exciting. There's lots of things going on, lots of descriptions, and several pretty funny stories. But one thing that happens in chapter 2 is Ma makes butter. She talks about her chore week, and every day has a chore that they do, and Thursdays is churning day, the day that Laura loves best of all. I have some examples of butter churns through the ages. The first one is wooden, and it has wooden slats. Now, butter was part of chore day, and I believe, do you remember the rhyme that they used to say about chores? So I think butter was on Thursday. So today's Thursday, and it's butter churning day. Now, what I have here with us is this is actually the same exact type of churn that Ma would have used when they were churning butter. And Laura describes it quite perfectly in the book. And in some of the newer versions, they actually have the drawing that he does of the butter churn. But we don't want that much butter today, do we? We'll be here all cream, which is about to the bottom of that S. So now let's put the lid on. Reagan, you want to put the lid on for us?
Sure.
And put it on tight. And we are going to start shaking. So the modern way of doing butter is we're just going to take the jar and shake. Okay? So I'm going to shake a little bit. And are there boys outside chopping wood, getting ready for the fire?
Yeah.
They are? Can you call them in?
No.
All right, we're going to call in some Braun to do some shaking for us. Grayson, can you shake it for us? So this is now formed whipped cream. And if we added a little bit of sugar to that, we could use it to dip strawberries in or fruit. Everything nice. And she would put the butter in a mold. Now, Ma had a nice butter mold that had pictures of strawberries on it, so when she pressed out the butter, there was a nice strawberry form on it. One thing that we can do these days is use a candy mold, which is perfect for making individual butter pats or making something nice for the table. So we went ahead and already made a couple with some butter. But I'm going to let the girls use the butter. And this is the same recipe for Johnny cakes that we give you, but we made cornbread in it last night in our skillet. So while they're fixing their butter, we're going to talk about coloring your butter. As we said earlier, Ma loved everything to be beautiful. And when you hear the thump, keep going, and then you'll see your buttermilk. Pour that off and go a little bit more, and you'll have fresh butter. And I would suggest, should they do honey? Definitely do some honey and cinnamon and put it on your Johnny cakes.